Let's talk about the Competition Solar 7-watt solar panel. You can get one for about 26 bucks, or you can get three for about 55 bucks. That's like buying two and getting the third one free. And when I bought mine, it was $50. They have a best offer. You might even be able to get them for 45, I don't know. But if you look at the Competition solar charger, you get a box, the panel, with alligator clips, tilt rods, and flat panel mounting, along with the kind of a worthless instruction manual. There's the front, rear. That shows the all of them together, and that shows the 4 flat mounting positions and the tilt rods, as they call them. Now, could you might want to say, well, what's the difference between this and the Harbor Freight? And really there isn't, other than the Harbor Freight has this USB adapter and cigarette adapter along with built-in tilt, and it has the SAE connector. If all you need is this and that's it, you don't need that or that, then this is more expensive. However, if you want the USB adapter or the SAE connectors, then this would be the way to go, because the to get those is going to cost you more than what, this 10 bucks or 7 bucks that would take. Now, some people say, can I hook the thing up without a solar charge controller? For as much as a solar charge controller costs, I would buy one and put it on. Otherwise, during the summer, you may bake the battery. This is what the back looks like. When you put the tilt rods, you put them in here. When they're here and you tilt it back, it's at a 54-degree angle, and when you put them here and tilt it back, it's about a 25-degree angle. It's a 2mm hex screws here and here, and 1.5mm hex screws here and here. So you could, if you would need to, adjust these. Although the 1.5mm hex was a little loose in there. Hopefully you don't strip it out when trying to move it. This is the panel itself, and the panel is pretty big, bigger than I thought it would be. Here it says it's what I measured was 12.5 by 15 3/4 by 3/4, and it does weigh 3 pounds. Here's the instruction manual, which doesn't give you much. These are tilt rods and 4 corner mounts for attaching to a flat wall. It is, this is the back. It says 7 watts, 15.6 volts, 460 milliamps, and about 3 pounds. This is how it attaches. Once again, you could probably remove this and put something else in that you wanted, but once again, if what you want is the SAE, then you are going to be paying more for this than the Harbor Freight. And like I said, these are 1.5mm hex, and these are 2mm hex. This does have a diode to prevent backfeed, and I measured the ohms with the ohm meter, and it was 1.2 mega ohms, so you'll have about a 10 microamp current flow. But anyway, that is the competition solar 7-watt amorphous solar panel. And what I got this for is I'm going to get a battery and a box and be able to power up my game cameras with it.